go try some filters. So let's try these. Okay, let's put this here. Bro, what's happening? What the heck? Yeah, okay.
Mami, unsay gihimo nimo nga workout nganong apil man imong now nagka-abs man. Angita ka kauban. Mas konti ang trabaho kapag ganito nga naman ang paraan ng pagluga.
I have this one.
Madalas pag muna din nakikita ko sila nagmamagala.
Huh? Wait, no. That's not real. I'm in Philippines. Bring it. What's the next one? 3P drop it. 7. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Numero Tumicino. I hate Numero Tumicino. Okay. Cappuccino Assassino. I like it. Okay, let's go next. Tung sahur. Ballerina Cappuccino. Patapin. Bri, because I don't know what's that. Bombardiro Crocodile. Rila. Bro, not bad. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Huh? Okay, I mean not that. Lava. Okay, I have this Bri because Ballerina Cappuccino. Lava Stronita. Ballerina Cappuccino. I have this my favorite. I mean 4. Burger. Absolutely my favorite. Pizza. I mean it's my favorite too. Taco. I haven't eaten that before yet. Oh, I have eaten this. Sandwich. You here. Oh, sushi. You here. Oh, bro, I